In this example tutorial, we're going to show 3 cases of data import, the first being a new dataset, the second being a merge dataset, and the final example will be a dataset import where we manually select geographical information. If I go to Data and select Import File, I am shown this user interface window, and I select my desired shapefile here in this case. Does not have any time information and no missing data. I'm going to select an ID variable and click Yes to confirm. In the data panel, we now see our new data set. And the VIPS code here is the ID variable that we just selected. Now we're going to show the example of merging a data file on top of this currently existing data set. I'm going to import again. I'm going to browse and select the file I want to merge. And here in the import type, I'm going to select merge with an existing data set. Merging with an existing data set, I'll pick which one I want. This one here. In this merge data example, I have time variability, and I'm going to select that from the file that I'm importing, which is here. In the ID options, I'm going to select the ID variable that Vesta will use to merge the 2 data sets. And again, there is no missing data in this file I am now merging, and I'll click OK. The notification, and here we have new variables added to our data set. In this final example, I'm going to import a data set that will require manually selecting the geographical coordinates for the import. So by going to Data, Import File, I'm going to browse and select my data file here. Now I'm creating a new data set, and here this little blurb is relevant in that my new data set does have geographical information that will become obvious in the next step. There is no time variability, no missing data. If I click OK, it brings up this little window here where I can select my latitude and my longitude, and in this case, Vesta automatically selected those. Click OK. And here it's asking me to create an ID variable for the new data set. This new data set does not have an ID variable. I'm going to skip at this time. And I have a notification for a successful import. And here is my data set.